In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to help your clients sign faster by giving them clear instructions. One of the simplest ways to speed up the signing process is to be more intentional before you send your document. A lot of delays happen not because clients are unwilling to sign, but because they are unsure what they are supposed to do once they open the file. If your message is too short or too vague, they may open the document, glance through it, and then put it aside for later. That small moment of uncertainty can easily turn into a delay. Before sending the document, take advantage of the message to recipients box. This is the perfect place to add a short note that guides the client clearly. Instead of sending the document with no explanation, use that space to tell them exactly what to review and exactly where they need to sign. This makes the process feel easier and more manageable from the client's perspective. A great approach is to be specific in your message. Rather than sending only a link or a generic note, write something like this. Hi, please review the menu and sign the signature box on page 3 to secure your date. That kind of message works well because it removes guesswork. The client knows what to look at, what action to take, and why it matters. It also gives them a clear next step, which makes them more likely to complete the document right away. The reason this helps is simple. People are much more likely to finish a task when the instructions are clear. When clients know exactly what they need to do, they can move through the document with confidence instead of stopping to figure things out. That often leads to faster completed statuses for your business, which means less time following up and fewer documents sitting in pending status. As a general rule, keep your note short, friendly, and direct. You want it to sound helpful, not overwhelming. A clear message creates a smoother experience for the client and a more efficient workflow for you. So before you send your next document, pause for a few seconds and add a helpful note in the message to recipients box. Be specific about what the client should review and where they should sign. That small extra step can make a big difference in how quickly your documents come back completed.